dear kids, once again I welcome you all in yet another class, and this is our EVS class. Okay, and today in EVS class we are gonna do the review of sea creatures with shells and sea creatures without bones. Okay children, so do you remember what are the sea creatures without bones we had learned in the class? Okay, we are going to see that. The very first one is the shark. Remember children about the shark? I have given you information. Shark. This is a shark. So it looks like big fish, but it doesn't have bone. Both they have cartilage. Okay, and a shark may have 3,000 teeth at a time. Look at the jaw of the shark. There are different types of sharks, 350 different types of shark. So some of you, I'll show you. This one is tiger shark. This is another kind of shark. This one is hammerhead shark. And there are lots and lots of shark. Okay children, so all the sharks are not harmful to human beings. Some are harmful to human beings. And then we have learnt about octopus. Octopus means animal with 8 arms or 8 legs. So octo means 8. So these octopus have bulbous head, that is balloon shaped head, and they have tentacles around their head. And if they want to eat anything, what do? They catch that thing with their arms, and after that they inject the poison with the sucker. They have sucker inside their body like this. This is the sucker. They inject the poison, and they have special quality, that is they change the color to merge with the sea into blue color. And this is blue ring octopus, which is harmful sea creature, and they don't have bones. Another sea creature we have seen is the jellyfish. Jellyfish have umbrella shaped head, and they have trailing tentacles, many tentacles. Okay, and they are usually found from the surface of the sea to the deep ocean. They are almost found in all the sea oceans, everywhere they are found. Okay children, and they don't go one by one, they go in a group, and when these jellyfish go in a group, they are called the swarm of jellyfish or the smack of jellyfish. Okay, or the band of jellyfish. Okay, next I'm going to show you starfish. Starfish may have 5 arms, or some may have more than 5 arms. They don't have bones, but their body is covered with a thorny shell that protects them. And they're usually found in deep ocean or in the shallow sea, but they are always found in the seabed. Can you see? This is a starfish. It's lying on the seabed. So they are usually found in the seabed. And next we had learnt about conches and clams. So these are different kinds of conches, and these are the clams. These are the sea creatures with the shells. So these are the clams. And one more sea creatures I am going to show you, and that is a turtle. So what do these animals do? They live inside the shell, and they roam in and around the seashore. And when they want to eat anything, what do? They come out of the shell and then eat their food. And if somebody comes, they quickly go inside the shell and hide inside the shell. So these sea creatures with a shell, they use that shell as their home. And these conches, have you seen the conches children? Conches are used in temples and puja rooms. While doing puja, it is used to blow as a horn. Okay, and not only that, from the clam, what do we get? We get pearls from the clam. We get pearls. So from the pearls, we get different ornaments such as necklace, and different designs of sea creatures, seashells are used to make the bracelet, necklace, earrings and all. Okay children, so this is one of the sea creatures with shell. Another group of sea creatures with shell is the crab, shrimp, prawn, lobster. So these are the sea creatures with this shell. So these sea creatures, they have soft shell on their body, which with 5 pairs of legs. Usually the first pair will be very big or huge, and they have stalks. They have eyes on their stalks. Their eyes is not fixed on the body. They have eyes on their stalks. Okay, children. So these are the sea creatures with shell. So today we had did the recapitulation of sea creatures without bones and sea creatures with shells. I hope that you had enjoyed today's class. Now we are going to move on all our favorite part. That is, today we are going to make the takeaway. The paper craft crab. Okay. Shall we do the takeaway? Yes. So take out your takeaway cover, and from the takeaway cover take this blue sheet, eyes on the stalk, a big red circle and some small circles that is folded into half. Okay, once you have taken this, keep it aside, and we need Fevicol, black marker. Okay, what are we going to do is we are going to stick this circle here. Okay, like this, but before that we are going to stick the eyes. So apply the gum here. Like this, and after that we are going to stick the big circle that is folded into half. Apply this gum in one side like this. So use Fevicol for better result. Okay, so because it is all painted now, so it's better to use the Fevicol. Finished? Good. Now take 2 circles and place it here like this. Okay, next let's stick, then place this also here. So let's stick it. Okay, so this is how, children, you have to stick it, and after that the finishing touch. So finishing touch, what are we going to do is we are going to make the legs like this. And here also. So our paper craft crab is all ready. So this is how you have to stick, and with the black marker you have to make the stalk for the big pair of legs. Okay, so these are the 4 pair of legs. This is the 5th pair, the first one, that is very big, eyes on the stalk, and this is the mouth. You can make happy face here for the crab, and done. Take it. So do this takeaway, take a picture of it and send it in group. So kids, I had made my very own paper craft crab, and I want you all to make your paper craft crab. Once you finish that, take the picture of it and send it in group. Okay, so I hope that today you had enjoyed your class, and with this I am coming to an end of this EVS class. Until I meet you in the next class, it's your aunt saying bye and take care.